We look at the task of classifying intelligibility of disordered speech to develop ML models that can measure disease severity. One motivation is to provide an objective measure to monitor disease progression. Our hope is to also use this work to identify data and improve ASR models for users with speech impairments. In this work, our dataset comes from 661 speakers with a range of self reported disorders, including Down syndrome, ALS, cerebral palsy, and other etiologies. Specifically, we use the quality control subset of the data from Project Euphonia that's also being presented at this interspeech. All participants speak about 29 selected phrases that are shown here. These phrases are chosen to have a distribution of phonemes to help identify speech impairments. The collected audio samples are scored by speech language pathologists for intelligibility on a 5-point Likert scale. We focus on the intelligibility rating as it measures how well speech is understood by a listener and is more relevant for the goal of eventually improving ASR models for disordered speech. We split the dataset for training, validation, and test based on speakers. Our work uses three approaches to classification. First, we use a supervised CNN model similar to ones used for audio classification tasks. A ResNet 50 like model classifies log-mel spectrograms of roughly 1 second samples of audio for intelligibility. Our second approach is based on unsupervised learning. We use the TRIL model, which learns non semantic representations using a triplet loss. Our final approach uses encoder representations from a production quality ASR model. Specifically, we only use the representations learned from the encoder. We then apply logistic regression and random forest models on top. We consider different classification tasks by grouping the labels for 2 class, 3 class, and 5 class variants. We use AUC, F1, and accuracy metrics for evaluations. In all our experiments, the representations learned by the ASR encoder performed best across tasks and metrics. On deeper analysis, we found that the ASR encoder embeddings clustered samples based on the content of the audio, whereas the representations learned using triplet loss by the TRIL model clustered samples by speaker. The supervised CNN model's representations tended to cluster based on the intelligibility classification task. When we examined the performance of the ASR encoder model on each of the 29 phrases, we found that the longer phrases were better for determining intelligibility. Please refer to our paper for more details.